everyone, I'm Missy. Long time no see, I miss you so much. Today I'd like to share with you a wonderful news. That is, I've received the diamond play button from my 10 million subscription from YouTube. Woohoo! Shango! Woohoo! We're so happy and excited. The moment we received it, my office partner and I got so touched that we almost cried. 再次鼓掌。You know guys, I took a rest for quite a while this year, so I couldn't manage my content on YouTube. But this play button reminds me of those videos I used to share on YouTube and those days I spent on overseas. So, this is not only my play button, but yours as well! Before unboxing,
I'd like to give a special thank you to a friend.
let's welcome the guest! He's Russell
He's the YouTube strategic partner manager for content partnership.
in Greater China. He's also capable and gentle. Is he single? But it's such a pity that Russell couldn't be here today. I sincerely appreciate the support and help that Russell has been giving me and my team all the time. I'd also like to thank everyone from YouTube team for helping my channel better and better. Russell, I'm waiting you to come Sichuan. We have hot pot. Let us put Russell here. We unboxing. Let's open the box to see what's inside. I'm so curious because it's so heavy. Oh, so cool, right? All black. It's at least 10 kg. Isn't this look like a secret agent? Cool, right?
Did you know that there are only 2 diamond play button awards in Great China? And you got one of it!
Thank you for supporting all the time. Okay, unboxing. I'm so curious about this. It's like a luggage. Wow! There's a letter. Oh! Wow, a play button. Oh, so heavy. It's real diamond. Can I pull it out? It's reflective. So magic. I can also put it on my desk as a mirror. There's information on it. Congratulations on passing 10 million subscribers. 办公室小野 Miss Ye. I teach you Miss Ye in Chinese. 办公室小野 Repeat? Yes, great. Here's also a letter for me. Have a read. Wow, this one really got me. You are no longer just a great channel. You are a movement. This reminds me of those days and nights I spent on filming. It also reminds me of my first and second fan meetings. You know, one in US and one in Thailand. I made a lot of music. We shared the beautiful moments in life together.
You gave me so many encouragements. I feel truly grateful for having your support all the way along.
Okay, by the way, I hope everyone stay healthy and keep happy. Yeah, we'll have more chance to meet in your cities and countries and explore more fun in your life. Thanks you too. This award is really meaningful to me and to us.
Thank you.
Okay, in the end, I also want to share another recent situation with you. I'm married! Woo! If you have a topic or thing that you want me to share and shoot, you can leave a message and tell me, and I will watch it. So see you next time. Bye!